Welcome to Ehla's Tuition. (8086) Tasm programming. Here we explaining how to write assembly language program to print hello world and how to execute this program in Tasm compiler. Model small defines the memory model used here. It's a small model. Then dot data represent the data segment used here. Here we use message DB 10D 13D hello world, and the dollar represents the end of the string. Here then the code segment begins. The code is dot code. Move x comma at data, moving base address of data to AX. Move ds comma x, moving content of AX to ds. Load LEADX comma message, load the offset address of message. Move h comma 09h into 21h is used to display the content at dx. Move h comma 4ch in 21h is used to terminate the program, and end represent the end of the program. This is our program. We want to execute this. For that, save this file in the Tasm folder. Name hello.asm extension. Save. Then we want to execute. For that, take Tasm folder. This is 64-bit PC, so you can't execute it directly. Then we run Tasm in the DOS box. Here we want to compilation. For compilation we use the command Tasm of file name hello.asm. Okay, assembly file name hello.asm. There is no error message and warning message, and it shows 1 passes and the remaining memory is 476. Okay. Then we want to perform linking. Our command is tlink file name.obj. Okay. Then we want to execute. Execution, we use the file name.exe extension hello world. Okay, this is our result. For exiting, type exit. Comment your doubts. Subscribe the channel to get the next video. Thank you.